Welcome to GigaBits. AI assistants are evolving faster than ever, and two names keep dominating the conversation: Fyxer AI and Microsoft Copilot. Both promise to boost productivity, automate tasks, generate content, and help you work smarter. But with 2026 approaching, many users are asking the big question: which AI will actually take the lead? Is Fyxer AI truly the rising contender people claim it is? Or will Copilot's massive ecosystem keep it firmly at the top? Today we're breaking down which assistant is better positioned to dominate the AI landscape. To answer this, I tested both AI tools across different real-world tasks: coding assistants, writing, research, workplace automation, and integration with apps. I also evaluated speed, reliability, pricing, and long-term potential based on recent updates and user feedback from professionals, developers, and content creators. After combining hands-on testing with community data, here's the most accurate comparison of Fyxer AI versus Copilot heading into 2026. Both platforms make strong claims. Fyxer AI claims faster task automation, more natural conversation flow, stronger personalization, AI-driven workflow building, better writing and marketing output. Copilot claims deep integration with Windows, Office, and cloud tools, enterprise-level reliability, AI-powered coding with advanced models, secure workplace automation, universal accessibility across devices. Both brands market themselves as the future of productivity, but only one can truly dominate. Let's investigate. Step 1. Intelligence and model performance. Fyxer AI feels more conversational and adaptable. Its responses tend to be creative, flexible, and better at multi-step reasoning. Copilot, meanwhile, is extremely stable and consistent, especially in professional or business tasks. For coding, Copilot is noticeably stronger thanks to its specialized developer tools. Step 2. App integration. This is where Copilot shines. It integrates seamlessly with Windows, Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, Edge, and cloud services. Fyxer AI offers good workflow automation, but its app ecosystem is still growing. For businesses relying on Microsoft tools, Copilot has a major advantage. Step 3. Automation and task execution. Fyxer AI is surprisingly powerful when it comes to building automated routines, generating content, and handling creative tasks. Copilot is better for structured automations within Microsoft environments, but less flexible in free-form tasks. Step 4. Speed and reliability. Copilot is consistently fast and stable since it's backed by enterprise-level infrastructure. Fyxer AI is quick too, but occasional slowdowns occur during complex workflows. Both are reliable, but Copilot wins in large-scale environments. Step 5. Personalization. Fyxer AI adapts more deeply to each user. It remembers writing style, preferred structure, and step-by-step habits. Copilot does personalize, but its focus remains on productivity rather than personal creativity. Step 6. Limitations. Fyxer AI's main limitation is ecosystem reach. It's still expanding. Copilot's limitation is creativity. It often sounds more robotic compared to Fyxer's natural voice. So which AI will dominate in 2026? If the future is ecosystems and workplace automation, Copilot holds the crown. If the future is creative workflows and personal AI assistants, Fyxer AI could take the lead. Right now, Copilot is the dominant force. But if Fyxer AI continues evolving at the pace it has shown, 2026 could mark a major shift. Winner for now, Copilot potential disruptor, Fyxer AI. If this breakdown helped you understand the real battle between Fyxer AI and Copilot, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We deliver honest, in-depth tech reviews every week. Stay tuned and stay ahead of the future.